Hey everyone, so this video is going to be a little different. I never did anything like this on my channel before. Tomorrow I am graduating for the class of 2019, and some people like to decorate their graduation caps. Some people like to leave it plain. I'm a creative person, so hell no, I'm not leaving my cap plain, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna decorate it, you know, just to make mine stand out from the rest. So I'm gonna film myself decorating my graduation cap, but with a twist. I am going to decorate it with makeup. Since I am, you know, a makeup YouTuber and stuff, I'm gonna like add my own little spin on it by adding makeup. Like, I'm gonna use like some of it. I'm gonna say like 75% of it will be makeup and like the rest will be like arts and crafts stuff. I hope you guys find this video interesting and keep on watching, but before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month, I hope. Hopefully we can do it. I hope we can. Just spread the word out, get my channel out there and stuff. I would highly appreciate it. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. But yeah, let's just get on to this video. I'm going to decorate my graduation cap. I can't believe I'm even saying that. Graduation cap. Wow. Graduating. Really graduating. Oh my goodness. It is so crazy to think about. But anyways, let's get on to this video. here is my graduation cap. As you can see, it's very different. Like, I did a lot of crazy stuff to it. I did like a face of makeup right here. I did my, you know, some of my childhood pictures. I did a little class of 2019 thing with a graduation cap, and then this YouTube thing because I'm a YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? And then I was inspired by my cover photo, like for YouTube, to create like the background, because you know it's like clouds and stuff. It looks like a, you know, a dreamy background. This is just my graduation cap. I'm gonna be wearing this tomorrow when I walk the stage for graduation and get my diploma. I am so excited, guys. Like, I am so excited. Like, I am really about to graduate. Like, I'm really about to graduate, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait, guys. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Like, you don't understand how much I'm trying to get this over with. I just want to graduate so I can continue with my, you know, adult life, with the start of my adult life. Oh my god, like, I cannot believe I am graduating. That's crazy. Like, I have to be at the place I have to be at 8 in the morning so I can do my last minute practice, and then after that I will be a high school graduate. That's crazy. Wow. Never would have thought I would say that. Anyways, that is the end of the video. If you liked how I decorated my graduation cap, it's a little bit crazy, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of the month. I know we can do it. I know we can. Like, I'm trying to hit that, you know, 2,000 mark. Like, that's a milestone, because every 1,000 subscribers to me is a milestone. So that's crazy. I'm about to hit 2,000. Like, wow, that's incredibly insane to me. But I'm trying to hit 2,000. Also, make sure you have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions for some future videos, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. And that is pretty much all I have to really say. So again, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and that's all I have to say. Have a blessed day. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.